Okay, let's show onboarding with follicular lymphoma, as I had. What stage? 1. Yes on previous treatment. Radiotherapy. October last year. Outcome was stable disease. No second line therapy. US. Zip code 95628. Age 50. Male. ECOG is 0. I'm doing just fine. Yes, more diagnostics. 1.5. Okay, so let's look at our matching trials. We have one matching trial in Los Angeles, 360 miles away. Score's not particularly good. We'll go into that in a minute. So now we have some other trials. Here's one. It is a little far, but let's go ahead and look at it. Phase 1 study of BMF 500. Now, this is where it's interesting. Let's try to make ourselves fully eligible for this trial. We need to tell it that we didn't have, it has some pre-existing conditions excluded, like cardiac, neurological, and psychiatric conditions. We have none, so that's going to help. And then we need to answer if it was refractory. It was refractory based upon what we already told it. And then white blood cell count. Okay, this is going to get us fully eligible. We are eligible for this trial. Now, and we want to show you this new thing, is we have the ability to score the trial. And this is based upon a distance penalty. This actually has quite a distance penalty because it's a little farther away. The risk, there are some risks associated with this particular drug. Benefit is quite high, 18. Patient burden is mid-range, 12. Now we can change the weights. We can say, you know what, there's a distance penalty weight of, let's make it 50, and let's reduce the risk weight, and let's reduce the benefit weight. And I can save the changes. And now, if I go back to trials, you'll see it's a bit of a different list. It's not going to show up because it's just too far away. We've said that distance is important to us. So let's go ahead and take a look at another trial. How well odronextamab works and how safe it is compared to rituximab. If I did have stable disease and I wanted to get treated again, it would almost certainly be indicated to do something like rituximab, but this is an alternative to that. You can see the distance penalty is high, so that reduces the score. There's also a risk penalty, but there's good benefits, and the patient burden it's a bit higher than the one before, but it's in the orange range, the amber range. So let's go ahead and see if we can be eligible for this trial. Let's say that we do need a Flippy score of 2 to be eligible. Let's just say that we did have a couple of things that made us eligible for this, and the peripheral neuropathy, we only have grade 1. Now we are eligible for this trial, which of course has its pros and cons. When we click on this, we'll be interviewed again about the risks and patient burden of this trial, which are very much there.